Okay, people. It's April 8th. It's Sunday night. All this stuff is going out in the morning. I've decided to go on offense. I talked to you last week about my affidavit of status. That is for the courts. This is a lawful notification letter to the judge that you are on your oath, and I am going to hold you to your oath, and we are going to be, from now on, in a common law court. Okay? We're not playing statutes, regulations, codes, fees, fines. We're not doing all that shit anymore. So what I did was I filed a complaint. And then I found out that filing a complaint is what a slave does. But filing a claim is what a man does. So I'm not a person, I'm not an individual, and I sure as hell am not that artificial person that you think I am with the all-cap name. Okay? I am a natural man, and I therefore cannot be an artificial person. Okay? So, I'm filing a claim, and I want proof of a claim. And I'm sending it to these three ladies. These are the ones that have deliberately been sending me paperwork from ORS stating that I owe them. And let's be very clear about something. I was on the defensive. I was the defendant. And I'm no longer going to be the defendant. I'm going to go on the offense. And I'm going to file paperwork and demand and summon them, these individuals. I can't call them individuals. These women, okay? Here's my affidavit of services. Just gonna, okay, there's 4 of them there. Jessica's gonna get one. And of course, Casey and Lisa Stockdale and the court, okay? But everybody's getting an affidavit of service. Everybody's getting certified mail. Here's all of the envelopes going to all the people. And here is a copy of all this stuff that's going to go in the 3rd District Courts folder. Okay? Just to verify and show them that I sent all this crap. And I might even send them this video. Anyway, so back to this. Proof of claim. Complaint. Which is funny because when you look at the paperwork that they have at the United States.gov 3rd District Court website, they don't have a thing to file a claim. They have a file a complaint, which is what a slave does. So anyway, this is my official complaint and summons to the 3rd District Court. Petitioner has the Office of Recovery Services, okay, and then I put all their names in there, and I demand that this court address the following concerns. Okay, we did all this last time. This is the facts of the complaint that I put in there. Okay, now here's something else that I did today because I'm sending all this stuff in again with my affidavit of services. I wrote all these ladies a letter, and they're all in those envelopes, okay? And you can, I'm not going to read it to you. I want this to be just a short one. But if you notice in the middle there, it says $10,000 a day. So it says here that I am a man, and I have decided that my time, my energy is worthy of compensation. Now, this is proof of a claim. This is not a complaint. Okay? This is my proof of claim. I want you, and I'll read it to you here. I will not be speaking with any lawyers, attorneys, or bar members. Attorneys cannot speak or enter evidence in the court of common law because they have no first-hand knowledge. Okay? I will object and have all their words the lawyer speaks stricken from the record. I will not be answering any statutory legalese. You are required to show the damage I caused to you. Okay? You are required to get on the witness stand. You are required to swear under oath and provide evidence of an injury. And if you cannot, you will be held liable for damages to this man. Okay? Don't let them call you an obligor. Don't let them call you a person. Okay, because that's a corporation. Look it up. And you will be found guilty of administering property, trespass, and being a wrongdoer. Okay? You will be receiving a summons to appear in court. Please be aware that the corporation you work for, is a fiction of the mind. Okay? You cannot hide behind them. That fiction is a building. It's windows, doors, computers, and it does not have the option of trespassing on me as you, a woman, have. You are a living human being, and the only way a claim can be administered against me, a man, is by you. Okay? That building, okay, is an inanimate object. The people, okay, the women, the men, the man, the human beings inside that building are the ones that are trespassing on me. Okay? And I wrote that in there. You are not a corporation, not an office, not a service, not a code, not a statute. It can be a wrongdoer. Only a living, breathing human being can type up an income withholding order or file paperwork or steal, trespass, or administer property. This letter is filed with 3rd District Court. This is my counterclaim, summons, and complaint. A man swear and affirm. I sent a copy to all the parties. Okay? So basically, I'm going to go on offense and I'm going to summons these women, these human beings, into the court and say, okay, you say through your paperwork, all the paperwork that they've sent me over the years, you say that somehow I injured you, okay? Because your name is on this paperwork. How did I injure you? Show me the damage, you know? And if there is no damage, then you must dismiss, okay? So what I'm going to do basically is go in there and attack these women and say, I'm not going to attack them physically. I don't want anybody getting crazy on me. But I'm going to attack them on the witness stand and show the court that they have no claim, okay? They have nothing. This is all an administrative procedure. You've seen all my paperwork. They have no evidence of an injury. And as soon as they show up with their attorneys or whatever they do, it doesn't matter. I'm going to ignore all their statutes and codes and Utah Code annotated says and all that stuff I'm sending back to them, okay? And I'm going to go to court and I'm going to file lawsuits against them and I'm going to tell them, bring the damaged party to court. And if you cannot, you are in default and you must dismiss this case. And then I'm going to file civil lawsuits against all of them personally for damaging me. And what I've also done by telling them about this $10,000 a day is I'm going to bill you. So they sent me a bill, which is a false fabricated bill. So what I've decided to do is send them a counterclaim or a counter bill. And I'm going to charge them $10,000 a day for every day that they keep this illegal documentation of a bogus administrative procedure on file. And I'm going to go in with a counterclaim and tell them, well, you say I owe you $23,000. Well, now you owe me $150,000. So, you know, do you want to settle this account or do you just want to keep, continue this charade? Because you have been warned and my time is valuable. Okay? And we'll keep you guys up to speed, man. We'll see. Again, today is April 8th. This is all going out the 10th. And we'll see what happens. Peace.